Okay, so let's talk about some application of modular arithmetic. So in terms of solving clocks and calendars problem, in terms of verifying ISBN, International Standard Book Number, yung mga numbers that we see in the books that we buy, for example, or in the UPC, here are the numbers that we saw in the barcodes of products in groceries and credit card numbers, as well as in cryptology. Let's start with using modular arithmetic in solving clocks and calendars problem. So here is a clock problem. So it says here that we will be disregarding whether it's AM or PM. Ano po? And tonight is, or this time around, it's the clock says 7 o'clock. Now we need to predict, or we need to determine rather, what will be the time if 59 hours has passed, or 59 hours from now. And letter B, what's the time 62 hours before 7 o'clock or ago. So here are two processes in solving these types of problem. So let's first focus on letter A, 59 hours from 7 o'clock. So process A, we just take the 59. So 59 modulo 12. We're solving in modulo 12 arithmetic since our clock repeats its value every 12. Ano po? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 noon, for example, ang ating orasan will go back to 1, and then to 2 and 3 and 4, not 13. Okay? So if we divide 59 by 12, so 12 times 5 is already 60. Okay, 12 times 5 is already 60. Let's do 12 times 4. Okay, that's a 48. So 11. Okay, so our answer is 11. 11 cannot be divided by 12 anymore. So in this case, this is not the final answer already. Your answer is not 11 o'clock, but 11 hours from 7 o'clock. Okay, 11 hours from 7 o'clock. In symbol form, so 7 o'clock plus, and then the plus, you put a circle on it to say that we are dealing with clock arithmetic. Ano po? And then you will add 7 hours to 7. So, ilan kaya yon? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, this is 6. The clock would point to 6 o'clock. Okay po. Now, what's the other process? Maybe you will find it easier. Ano po? Instead of just 59 modulo 12, you add already the 7. Kasi 7 o'clock, di ba? So that you will start at 7 o'clock. Your addition starts at 7 o'clock. Kasi in this case, you started at 0. Okay na po. Here, you already start at 7 o'clock. So what the answer that you will find is already the answer. Hindi mo na kailangang gawin yung part na to. Okay? So 7 plus 59 modulo 12. 59 plus 7 is 61. Am I correct? No. 59 plus 7 is 66, rather. Yes, that's correct. 66 modulo 12. So now, let's divide 66 by 12. 5 is 60. Remainder of 6. So pag ganoon, that's already your answer. The clock would point to 6 o'clock. Okay, so here your answer is 6 o'clock. Solving for the other one. Okay, solving for the other one, 62 hours ago. So let's do first the first method. 62 modulo 12. So 12, 62 divided by 12. So 5, so that's 60, remainder of 2. So this is not your final answer yet. So 2 hours before 7 o'clock. In symbol form, sorry, 7 minus 2. 2 hours before is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock is your answer. Now, maybe this is easier for you. 7, we start already at 7 plus 62. Oh, no. Rather, minus 62. Since you are looking for the hours before 7, 52 hours ago, modulo 12. Okay, so 7 minus 52, that will be 55. So negative yung answer mo, you have to add 12 multiple times. So negative 43, negative 43 plus 12, negative 31, negative 31 plus 12, negative 19, negative 19 plus 12, negative 7, negative 7 plus 12, 5 o'clock. So maybe this is easier for you. The process in the left. Kasi hindi ka magagawa ng, you will not do several additions, continuous additions. Now, how about in terms of calendars? Now, remember, in terms of calendars, we have 7 days, ano po, that repeats again and again. So, we are solving in modulo 7 arithmetic. So, we can assign 1 as a Monday and 7 to Sunday, and so on. So, if today is Friday, what day of the week will be 25 days from now? So, how do we solve this? Through the first process, letter A first. So, 25 days from Friday. So 25 modulo 7. So 25 divides 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 4. So that's not your final answer. 4 days from Friday. In symbol form, Friday is 5. I had to add 4 days to that. You put the plus inside a box to show that you are doing a calendar. You're dealing with a calendar arithmetic. So 5 plus inside the box 4 is not 9, but how many days after Friday? 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, which is a Tuesday. Now, using the other process, you already add the 5 to 25 since 5 is Friday, signifies Friday, and solve in modulo 7 arithmetic. So this will be 30. So mod 7. So 30 divides 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 2. Now you will be getting 2 or Tuesday. Tuesday ang answer dito. Okay, how about letter B? 32 days ago or before Friday. So 32 modulo 7 using the first process. So 32 divided by 7. 32 divides 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 4, So 4 days before Friday. In symbol form, um, Friday is 5, before or ago is minus 4. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a Monday. Let's verify using the other method. You have a 5 ago, so subtract 32 days, modulo 7. So 5 minus 32, that would be negative 27. So mag-add tayo na mag-add ng 7 hanggang maging positive siya. Plus 7 is negative 13. Negative 13 plus 7 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 7 is 1. So also your answer is 1. So the day of the week is Monday. Now, how about these types of problem? In 2015, Halloween, or in October 31, it fell on a Monday. And then, on what day of the week will Halloween fall in the year 2015? Wow, okay. So, how many years between 2005 to 2015? That is 10 years. If each year we have 365 days per year, we are dealing with 360,650 days. But we also have to count the leap years. What are the leap years between 2005 and 2015? We have 2008 and we have 2012. Check the last two digits if they are divisible by 4. Ano po? 8 divided by 4 is, it can be divided by 4. Ano po? Is 2, remainder 0. 12 divided by 4 is 3, remainder 0. So divisible by 4. So that means we have to add, we have 2 leap years, so we have to add 2 more days here. 3,652 days. So 3,652 days modulo 7, since we are dealing with day of the week. We want to determine the day of the week. Let's do the division. So 7 divided by 5, 2. So 7 times 5, that's 35. 36 minus 35, that's 1. 15. 15 divided 7, 2. 2 times 7, 14. 15 minus 14, that's 1. 12. 12 divided 7, 1. 12 minus 7 is 5. So how do we interpret this? 5. So 5 days from Monday. So Monday is a 1 plus 5. That would be 6. So the Halloween will be celebrated during a Saturday. 6 is for Saturday. You can also do the other method. Ano po? The other method will be Monday to, no? So 1 plus 3, 6, 5, 2. Same process. Pero ang nasa loob dito ay 3, 6, 5, 3 na, since you added 1. Ang makukuha mong remainder ay 6 already, which will be Saturday. Okay, last item for clocks and calendars. So we have an April Fool's Day, which fell on also a Monday on April 1, 2002. What day of the week will April Fool's Day fall in 2013? So first step is to find how many days are we dealing with. 2002 to 2013, that's 11 years. Per year, you have 365 days. So if you multiply 365 by 11, you will be getting 4,015 days. How many leap years are we dealing with? We have a 2004, a 2008, a 2012. So lampas na to ng February, April. So i-consider mo na yung 2012. What else? Three, three leap years, so plus 3 days rather. So 4018 days. You are dealing with 4018 days. Mm, so this is your equation, modulo 7. Let's divide 4018 by 7. 7 times 5, that's 35. So 40 minus 35, that's 5. Bring down 151. 7 times 7, 49. 51 minus 49, that's 2. Right? That's 2. Bring down the 8. 7 times 2 is 14. No. 7 times 3. No. 7 times 4 is 28. Ayun. Remainder of 0. Which would mean 0 days after Monday or Monday itself. So on 2013, it will also be, or April Fool's Day will also be celebrated on a Monday.